Okay, today I wanted to talk to you about incentives. Why it is that people use them, why some companies have started using them, and why it is that our company has decided to use them. We know that incentives can push people to work harder. However, we know that there's an increased production behavior that happens when incentives are placed in the workplace. We know that with this incentive program that we have going on, even though it hasn't picked off right now, it can change the workplace. But before we talk about that, I want to talk about something important, and that's you. You are qualified. In this room, there are managers and leaders of the company that have been hired because you know how to push problems. You have the skills, the experience, the knowledge to get past problems easier than other people do. So remember, you're qualified. I know it can seem hard at times, especially when things don't work out, but remember that. Back to the company incentive program. The company incentive program was set there for a few reasons. First, to save time, to have some goals achieved, all while doing that together. Now, like I said at first, it has not picked up. The incentive program was made, it kind of took some time, and then the employees didn't really pick it up. We were kind of confused. Why didn't it do that? The company had one goal in mind. That was to generate more ideas. And when it didn't happen, we didn't know what to do. I know that there's something that we can do to change this. And what that is the culture. Why the culture? What is culture? Culture is a social customs normality in a workplace. If you come into work and everyone's wearing suit and tie, the next day you come in all suit and tie. If everyone's wearing a more casual outfit, then you'll also have a casual outfit. We need to ask ourselves with culture, what do we want the culture to be like? What can we do to get it to be where we want it to be? And what things can we implement today? Asking ourselves these things will help us achieve a greater sense of engagement with our company. By changing the culture, we can also implement the idea of the incentive program being a normalized thing. Now I want to talk to the managers. You guys are in the front line. You guys are out there experiencing some of the problems, some of the achievements with the employees. You guys see firsthand what it is that the employees are dealing with. Now, some of the employees, you don't just call workers. You actually have become friends with them. Pretty good friends with some of them. You guys even know the influencers, the popular ones, the hard workers. You guys know them well. With you guys, what we need you guys to do is think of those who can make a difference. Think of the ones that have had to deal with problems in the past and have achieved them. Come to those that know everyone pretty well and ask them, what can we do? What can we change? How do we get this running? By doing that, we can succeed in this field. Human resource. You guys are to ensure that we achieve success through people. When someone comes up with an idea, don't turn it down and say, oh, that's kind of dumb. Just take it. Take it and say, thank you for coming up with the idea and for sharing it with us. Thank you for, speaking with us. That's something that we want to have happen. Through you guys, we will achieve this. Now, there's something I want to implement. That is correlations. Now, there are two main reasons. Updates, problem solving together. With updates, if someone came the last week and said, hey, I have an idea in which if we do this, I think the company will benefit. Let's say that idea worked. It actually saved the company a lot of money. What we want to do is recognize them. We want to say in correlation, hey, so-and-so gave this idea and we want to give them a prize. And then everyone applauds and they are recognized. And people love recognition. Now with that, people like to see that and people will most likely do it. Now, problem solving together. What I mean by that is that there are people who maybe have thought of a problem but don't know the answer for it. Maybe they know a way to fix it but it's not super effective. And so what they do is they bring it up to correlation. They say, I think I have a problem and maybe someone else has a solution. Right there, we just use teamwork to come up with a solution. Now, with all this, we need to keep ourselves accountable. The incentive program was made so that we could generate more ideas for the company. We, as managers and leaders, need to remember that goal, in which our employees can help, but as well as us. Just remember to keep yourselves accountable. We need to remember where we are right now and where we can be. Remember the objective. Remember that the objective is to get our employees participating in more. Remember that this is doable. It's not hard. It's something that just requires a little bit of effort by everyone. Remember that there are goals to be met. Write them down. Keep them visible at all times. Let's say during this whole time we've been talking, you thought of someone like, let's say Johnny. You're like, oh, Johnny actually had an idea the other day to do something, but we never really followed up. Write it down. Be like, follow up with Johnny. Let's go talk about that in a few days, and maybe we can come up with something. Write those things down. Keep them somewhere where it's visible, whether it's by your laptop, desktop, or by your bed frame, or by your kitchen door, just wherever. Just keep it visible. Now, action is required by everyone as a whole. Do your part. If half of us are willing to make the change and do this, and the other half is not, it's going to be really hard to get the whole company moving. Remember, there is an energy put out there by everyone when we all put this out together. The culture can only change if we all embrace the change. So if some of us don't decide to do anything and just kind of slow everyone down, shame on you. It's going to just make it hard for everyone. Remember the end goal. The incentive program will work. You know why I know it's going to work? Because when the incentive program was being made, it wasn't just us that decided to come up with it and made all the ideas in it. There were employees who put their input in it and how to make it more efficient, how to make it better. Once it was put out, they didn't participate as much, but they are willing to do this. They know the ideas. They know that there's something that can be done to make the place better. And that's what we want them to do. And lastly, persistency. Don't quit. Just do it. Don't lose hope. Together we can do this. I want you to think of a time where you had a problem and you overcame it. How did you overcome it? Did you do it from a different angle? Did you see it from a different perspective? Did you tackle it from the side? However it is that you do it, I want you to think back of that time and what it is that you changed. And I want you to do that now. I want you to set some goals for yourself that will change so that the incentive program can work here in the company. If we all do that as a whole, this is going to work. I can promise that. Thank you.